Welcome to another episode of Marine Science Facts. Today we will discuss a very recent study from 2025, where researchers from the Wildlife Conservation Society of Brazil, Colombia, and Bolivia, together with scientists from the University of Florida, had discovered a mega nesting site for giant South American river turtle hidden deep in the Amazon rainforest. Imagine a remarkable natural spectacle, hidden deep within the Amazon, where tens of thousands of giant South American river turtles, an endangered species, gather each year to nest. For conservationists, accurately counting these turtles has always been a monumental challenge. Traditional methods were simply not up to the task. Trying to count them from the ground was incredibly difficult because so many turtles obstructed each other, making precise tallies impossible. Even early attempts with drones, while less intrusive, suffered from a significant problem. Turtles move. This led to major counting errors, like individuals being counted multiple times or completely missed. How could anyone truly know if their vital conservation efforts were working if they couldn't even get an accurate baseline number? This critical dilemma set the stage for a groundbreaking research effort. A determined team from the University of Florida, spearheaded by postdoctoral researcher Ismail Brack, joined forces with the Wildlife Conservation Society, WCS, to find a better way. They knew that drones held immense promise, but they needed a smarter approach than just snapping pictures. Their ingenious solution was to combine high-tech aerial photography with sophisticated statistical modeling, creating a revolutionary method for wildlife monitoring. Over 12 intense days in September and October of 2021, their operation unfolded on a particular sandbank in the Guapore River, nestled between Brazil and Bolivia, a place already known as the world's largest aggregation of freshwater turtles. Here's how they transformed turtle counting. Drones, specifically DJI Mavic 2 Enterprise Advanced models, were flown 4 times a day over the chosen sandbank, capturing around 1,500 photos during each flight. These hundreds of images were then expertly stitched together to create highly detailed, high-resolution composite pictures of the entire area, often called orthomosaics. But the true innovation, the secret sauce to their accuracy, lay in how they accounted for the messy reality of animal behavior. Before each morning's drone flights, the team performed a meticulous and laborious task. They carefully marked the shells of 1,187 turtles with unique white paint symbols. By tracking these marked turtles in the drone images, they could develop powerful probability models that unveiled critical truths about the population. They discovered that only about 35% of the turtles that used the sandbank during the night were actually present and visible during the morning drone flights. This meant a huge number of turtles were simply not there to be counted at any given moment. The data models also accounted for the constant flow of turtles, with individuals entering and leaving the sandbank throughout the nesting period. They even factored in instances where a marked turtle was spotted, but its unique paint symbol wasn't clear enough to identify. The results were nothing short of astounding. When these sophisticated models were applied to the raw drone data, the team was able to provide an unprecedentedly accurate population estimate. They calculated that a staggering 41,377 female giant South American river turtles utilized that single sandbank during the 12-day survey period. This figure not only confirmed the Guapore River site as the world's largest known turtle nesting megasite, but also dramatically highlighted the flaws of older counting methods. For comparison, traditional ground observers had counted only about 16,000 turtles, significantly underestimating the true number, especially when the turtle population was dense. Conversely, simple drone counts, without the new models to correct for errors, had wildly overestimated the population at around 79,000 turtles. This innovative approach is a game-changer for wildlife conservation. By providing a far more precise and robust way to count large gatherings of animals, it offers conservationists a powerful new tool to accurately monitor threatened species and truly assess if their protective measures are working. This method, originally developed for turtles, can now be adapted and applied to monitor other aggregated wildlife populations, such as seals and birds, globally. The study doesn't just give us a number. It provides a blueprint for effective, less invasive wildlife monitoring for the future. Hope you enjoyed today's episode of Marine Science Facts. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and make sure to hit that notification bell to never miss out on fascinating water stories. Let us know in the comments section which exciting aquatic stories you want to hear next.